Hello friends, thank you for stopping in. Today's video is a collaboration, and the collaboration is called Keep It Simple. The host, Melissa, makes it DIY. The co-host is Rustic and Lace DIY. So I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to make me a Valentine heart, and I'm going to do it from some coffee filters that I have. Friends, they asked us to keep it simple, and I'm going to keep it simple and easy. So most of us have coffee filters. If not, it's not going to cost much to get coffee filters. And I just using some food coloring. I'm going to color these first. And guys, if you try this, you're going to have to color these in the early of the day or within 24 hours. So to give these coffee filters time to dry. So what I'm going to do is make a Valentine heart out of coffee filters. So friends, you can dip at least about 10 to 5 at a time, and it still will color the filters. And I end up putting it on my cookie sheet because guys, it's going to make a little mess. So just be aware of that. Friends, all I'm doing is just pulling some of them apart because I wanted it to dry faster, but I end up putting it outside on the porch in the beautiful sunlight. It was nice and sunny in the 70s on yesterday, and it dried so beautifully. So if you try this, just remember to put on some gloves. Friends, you will need a heart-shaped wreath, but if you do not have one, all you have to do is draw out a heart shape and just cut that out. That's all you need. And you will need a glue gun. Now I use my glue gun to make it more easier so it can, attach itself to the wreath without me trying to fight it. So the glue gun does work. And guys, all I did was just fold these and bend it on the end and add my glue and just pressed it on the shape of the heart. And what I'm doing is after the glue, I'm pressing it down, and guys, put it in the center of the wreath if you use a wreath. But like I said, if you don't have a wreath, you can use a cardboard and just cut it out as a shape of a heart and maybe just put some holes in it. However you do it, what's best for you. And I do have some ribbon, but guys, it did came out nice. I was trying to find something easy and simple because I wasn't doing too much for Valentine's Day, so I end up doing this. So I hope that y'all get something out of this, and thank you so much for joining me on today. Yes, friends, this is so simple and easy. And just remember, when you fold your coffee filter, make sure you shape it like a flower, and it'll automatically do it because it is so easy. Just fold it and just add it on your middle line or your cardboard. Guys, it's just so easy. I think the most time of me doing this is just sitting here putting these on, but that wasn't too bad. And you just play around with it, how you want your flower shape as you fold it. That's it. And just make sure that you only use one at a time, because it's not really going to take as much coffee filters. I'm not sure the number I use, but it's just according to your liking, how full you want it. friends, please be careful using hot glue, and just know that you have to hold it in position until it locks and sealing on the wire wreath. So just be careful, don't burn your finger. Friends, this approximately took me about 30 minutes, but I'm not going to do a 30-minute video, so I did cut some of the footage down. Guys, it is a playlist, so please go back and watch the playlist. I once again want to thank the host, Melissa Makes It DIY, and the co-host, Rustic and Lace DIY, for putting this wonderful collab together. Guys, keeping it simple, and I hope you can try this. Maybe if you don't catch it this Valentine, maybe the next Valentine. So friends, I was just deciding on what to do with this because I wasn't sure if I wanted to hang it from the top or whether I wanted to make a ribbon across the Valentine and put Be My Valentine. But I just end up just making it simple, just hanging it on my front door. So friends, this is the finished look. Tell me what you think. I hope y'all like this. Guys, I'm getting back into this DIY. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're new here, please do subscribe. Thank you, all my faithful friends. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous day. Bye-bye from Penny.